Good evening and welcome to Buxton Park Hotel. Thank you for taking the time to join us.
Because Navien think different. Yes, it is enough.
KD Navien is a leader in condensing technology with stakes in all major global markets.
Our LCB 700, average weight being 67 kilograms.
2 people, handles easy to do.
3 of them will give you a 98% ERP.
It's great to bring new innovative products to the market, so fantastic. They like the smart control, good to see the fuel consumption and the fault codes.
Any issues I've had, the Navien staff have been more than fantastic. Because of that, I will continue to use them.
The industry does need this innovation, energy efficiency and something new just to shake the industry up.